The search continues for missing Sacramento man Steve Bulkin, where signs of the 37-year-old's whereabouts have failed to come to fruition. Steve was reported missing 6 days ago by his wife Mary, who earlier today issued this following statement.
I just hope more than anything that Steve is being looked after. Steve, if you can hear me, honey, wherever you are, please just come home.
Steve is having the time of his life. And that's not just because the sun's out or that the fish are biting. It's because the problems that came with camping have now been solved. And that's thanks to the greatest cooler on Earth, Nippy. As well as having the ability to carry up to 70 cans, Nippy can hold ice for up to a whopping 6 days. You know, that beats having the cooler flooded by sundown, right? Yeah, you don't need to worry about no backup generators, because Nippy is smart. It can charge most portable devices with its 4 onboard USB ports. The battery can be charged via your car, the mains, or even using Nippy's record-breaking solar panels. Built with waterproof casing and the most efficient cells in the world, Nippy solar panels are so reliable that even on a cloudy day, you won't miss any crucial updates. Luckily for Steve, the cup holders have drainage. With wheels that are bigger, better, and just more badass than any other cooler on the market, Nippy is tough. Robust wheels that can handle any terrain and a body that can withstand a bear attack. Nippy's parts are all replaceable though, just in case you're lucky enough to run into a grizzly. The Nippy cooler is the upgrade you've been looking for. You'll never need to buy another cooler again because Nippy has been built to last for life. With its sleek, innovative design and all-around rugged durability, Nippy captivates you in ways your tired old cooler was never able to do.
Fast-pitch shelters can easily be set up with 2 people. Lay out the roof poles, side poles, corner poles, and fly. Start by connecting the roof poles. Lay out and then assemble each side pole section. Attach each side section to the roof poles. Next, extend the corner holders and connect side poles to corner poles. Once your frame is complete, throw over the fly. Velcro the fly to the frame at each corner and side. Lift legs halfway, clip in the fly to corners and tighten. Once the fly is firmly attached, peg in the corners. And lift legs full way. Finally, peg out guy ropes and your shelter is ready for your next big event.
The Green River AirPad. The Green River AirPad is a full-sized inflatable sleep pad with an integrated raised pillow and stealth grip fabric for a uniquely comfortable sleep experience in the outdoors. It has an integrated hand pump with a reversible valve for easy inflation and deflation. Green River's special design creates a steady, flat sleeping surface. It's also part of the Camp Comfort sleep system. It can be used with tent floors and sleeping bags, also featuring stealth grip fabric for a no-slip sleep experience. Take the comforts of home on your adventures outdoors.
New technology is making life easier in many ways, but it hasn't really been applied to outdoor and camping equipment until now. This is the world's first outdoor smart lantern from Otech. First, I hope you agree that it looks great. Your granddad may have taken you camping, but your equipment doesn't have to look like his. The lantern can be adjusted here, but it can also be controlled by a Bluetooth app on your phone. At the end of a long day outdoors, you don't have to keep getting up and down to adjust the lantern's brightness. You can do so from wherever you're seated. You can adjust it to a range of 16 million colors to suit your mood. Or later, you can even turn it off remotely without getting out of your tent or sleeping bag. That's great when the weather is freezing or you have something else to do. Have you ever been hiking and had trouble finding your tent? Now it's easy. Just set your light to flash. But at Otech, we have gone much further. The lantern comes with built-in weather sensors, temperature, humidity, barometric pressure. It will even give you weather alerts. Our smart lantern comes in two sizes, the 200 lumen and the powerful 400 lumen. That illuminates to a range of nearly 10 paces. At full power, it will last 8 nights. At low power, 30 nights. The lantern is strong, durable, and lightweight. It is water resistant, so no worries with spray on a boat. With full batteries, even the 400L is just over 3 pounds or 1.6 kilograms. It also has a built-in tripod for uneven surfaces, and the handle, it won't break. It uses rechargeable batteries or 4D cell batteries. You can even use it to charge your mobile phone or other devices because it has a built-in USB port.
The Spire camp stoves offer dual burners with advanced flame control and can be linked together so you can cook for your whole group at once. The Spire stove will fit an 8-inch and 10-inch pot and pan. The LX model will fit a 10-inch and 12-inch pot and pan. The 10,000 BTU burners will meet all of your camp cooking needs. Both models have a JetLink connection to add a Luna satellite burner for rapid boiling water without an additional fuel source. The LX model features patented JetBoil valve technology for maximum flame control. The stoves run off standard propane bottles or tanks. The Eureka Spire camp stoves allow you to create the ultimate campsite kitchen for your friends and family.